Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've given you an update, but today's the day. Vedjays coming home, she's ready to go. All I gotta do is pack her up. So this afternoon, while I'm waiting for her to come in, I'm gonna be going through the trailer, all the gear that I've had to pull out of her. There's still some in the garage, that's all gonna come out. I'm gonna lay it all down here on the floor, and we're gonna see what has to go in it. Benny's gonna come over and help me. I'm expecting the VJ to be here, being dropped off by Thorbans, good blokes. About 2 hours I think, somewhere around there. I can't wait to see if she's going to look good, so stay tuned and let's see what we've got to put in there. Just to cover up on what's happened so far, these are the basics. I've got my tools and stuff, some cooking equipment, refrigeration and sleeping. These baskets I've got to go through once I get the drawers back, along with these three here. That's food and just general rubbish. Everything that I'm not taking is going back in here. Okay, so that was everything just sitting in my carport. Now I've got to get everything out of the trailer and see what I need in there to put back in the truck. So I'm only packing lightly this time. I'm going to try and keep it as light as I can, and we'll see what we do.
The next day.
G'day guys, just a quick update on what I've been up to on the canopy build. All I've really done so far is just decided what I do and don't want in the canopy. Like I said, going bare essential. I didn't like the way it was on the side going up and down, so I just turned it left to right. I have installed the fishing rod rack, essential items, the max tracks, whether to put them up here. Whether to put them on the side like the last canopy, or perhaps I was thinking just on the roof here in the kitchen, because that's easy to access. I've got the wheel to get them down, so that could work as well. Drop a comment below, tell me what you think where they should go. I can put them on the roof racks. I am getting a cage put in eventually. Like I said, I'm not going with the rooftop tent again. So yeah, help us out. Where do you think I should put these max tracks? Drop it below. That's another thing to show you. I'm thinking, okay, can you see in there? I got the rear winch in there, ready to go. What do you want to put that there? Is that going to work? Bracket. The bracket will fit through that bar and hold it down. Is it going to work? Will that work? It is wireless, so don't have to worry about holding a cord when I'm in the driver's seat. Alright, that's going to wrap up this vlog for today. Still like to know your opinions on where to put the max tracks and how the winch box should go for the rear winch. So please drop a comment below with your ideas. Cheers guys.